Hey everyone, you've just fallen victim to a scam. Your hard-earned money is gone, and you're feeling helpless. You turn to your bank, hoping for a miracle. But can your bank, like Relay Bank, actually track down a scammer? Hook. Let's dive into the world of online fraud and find out. Part 1. Understanding Scams. Before we get into Relay Bank's capabilities, let's understand the different types of scams you might encounter. There are countless ways scammers can trick people, but some of the most common include phishing. Scammers send emails or messages pretending to be from legitimate organizations, like banks or government agencies. These messages often contain links or attachments that lead to malware or phishing websites. Romance scams. Scammers create fake online profiles to target people looking for love. They build trust over time and eventually ask for money. Investment scams. Scammers offer incredible investment opportunities that are too good to be true. They often promise high returns with little risk. Tech support scams. Scammers call or email people claiming to be from tech support companies. They convince victims to let them access their computers and then steal personal information or install malware. Part 2. The role of banks. Banks play a crucial role in protecting their customers from scams. They have systems in place to detect fraudulent activity and can take steps to prevent losses. However, their ability to track down scammers can vary depending on the circumstances. Part 3. Can Relay Bank track a scammer? Now, let's focus on Relay Bank. While the specific policies and procedures of Relay Bank may vary, we can discuss some general factors that influence a bank's ability to track down scammers. Type of scam. Some scams are easier to trace than others. For example, if a scammer uses a fake bank account to receive funds, it may be possible to track the money. However, if the scammer uses a cryptocurrency wallet or a burner phone, it can be much more difficult. Speed of reporting. The sooner you report a scam to your bank, the better the chances of recovering your funds. Banks often have time-sensitive procedures for investigating fraud. Evidence. The more evidence you can provide, the stronger your case. This might include screenshots of messages, emails, or payment receipts. Cooperation with law enforcement. Banks may work with law enforcement agencies to investigate scams. However, the extent of their cooperation can vary. Part 4. What can you do? Even if your bank cannot track down a scammer, there are steps you can take to protect yourself and minimize your losses. Here are some tips. Be vigilant. Always be on the lookout for suspicious activity. Don't click on links or open attachments from unknown sources. Verify information. Before providing personal or financial information, verify the identity of the person or organization requesting it. Use strong passwords. Create strong, unique passwords for all of your online accounts. Monitor your accounts. Regularly check your bank statements and credit reports for unauthorized activity. Report scams. If you believe you've been scammed, report it to your bank and the appropriate law enforcement agency. Conclusion. While banks like Relay Bank can play a role in protecting their customers from scams, it's important to understand that tracking down scammers is not always possible. By being vigilant and taking proactive steps, you can reduce your risk of falling victim to fraud. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.